Hi, I want to help you with implementing a database that we will call Baseball 101, which is going to keep track of players and games and the teams that they played on. So I've opened up Access. I'm going to create a blank database. I'll call it Baseball, and Access 2007 starts with this view of a table. I want to design several tables. I have a players table that keeps track of the players and information about them that doesn't change very much. It keeps track of teams and information about the teams. It keeps track of games played between teams, and it keeps track of players who play in games. So those are the main tables. And I've already designed these and laid them out on a piece of paper. So let's design some of these tables. The first one we'll call players, and in the interest of this video I'm going to keep this short, so I'm going to call this player ID. This is my primary key, and it will automatically create a unique ID for each player. I'll have their last name that's text, first name that's text, and date of birth, it's a date, and gender. Choose gender because I want to show you how to do a lookup table as a data type. If we go to Lookup Wizard, this walks us through a very simple implementation for creating values that you choose from. In this case, I'm going to type in the values that I want, and it's going to be male or female. So I just want one column in this case, and you can either be male, oops, I hit return, so I want to go back, male or female. And maybe I could put other here, but I don't think I will. Just those two, male or female. And I'll associate with gender, or have that label. And now when I look at this, I have to save the table. Under gender, this appears, male or female, that I can choose from. So I'll enter some data, last name, Mantle, Mickey, and he was born in June 5th, 1945, something like that. So there's my players table. I might have some other information about the player, what college they went to, their favorite colors or something like that, I don't know. Now I need another table, and this table is some information about teams. So I'm going to design that table. This is called the teams plural table. It has a team ID that uniquely identifies each team. The team has a name. And Microsoft Access says, you know, I don't like using that name. That's a reserved word. I'm going to say name of team. And then I might have other information such as the mascot, that's text, location, we'll say city, and that's text. So that's my team, and I will save that. Now I need a table for games that's going to keep track of what teams played a game and when did they play it. So I'm going to call this games. So this starts to get relational. This is the game ID. I've got the team 1 ID, and I want that to point back to a table in teams. So I think I'll make this a lookup. I'm going to go to another table, the teams table, and I'm going to show all these things, and I could sort them different ways. I want to include the key. That's what I want in there, and this is the team ID is what I want to save. That's what this is asking. What I can save multiple values. I just in this case want to save the team 1 ID. So let's save that. I'm going to call this team 2ID. This is a number. In this case, I'm not going to make it a lookup, just to show you some different things. Might have the date of the game. It's a date. The location of the game. That's text. Might have the team 1 score. That's a number. And team 2 score. That's a number. That type of thing. And I'll save that. So now I have players, teams, and games. And what I'll do in my next video is show you how to relate all these things together. So I will stop this video and do another video next.